at the North Face, wasting my time just doing nothing. You're on my mind when I'm lonely. Maybe you'll find me in your own way. Searching for you, searching for you. She likes my face, she brings me joy. She brings me joy. At the North Face, wasting my time just doing nothing. You're on my mind.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Will I see again? We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All along we are calling out, not again. Never looking down, I'm just an aura, what's in front of me.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Look how I'm living now. Police be tripping now.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Will I see again? We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All along we are calling out, not again. Never looking down, I'm just an aura, what's in front of me. Is it real now? Would you be able to become one? I can feel it. Would you be able to become one?
This is America. Guns in my area. I got the strap. I gotta carry 'em. Yeah, I'ma go into this. Yeah, this is gorilla. Yeah, I'ma go get the bag. Yeah, or I'ma get the pad. Yeah, I'm so cold like I'm so cold like we gon' blow like
Walking on a dream. How can I explain?
Hey guys, we just finished up an installation here in Sarasota, Florida. Zone 1, we've built 6 water wicking raised beds. Now each of these has a water reservoir underneath that you'll fill up through these corrugated pipes. The water will wick up through the soil from the bottom, which causes roots to really dive down deep and get some good structure. We planted a lot of fall crops here for them, some collards, broccoli. There are about 50 trees, and I would say at least 100 support plants in this system, if you want to count, you know, the beds and the other things we put in. Along the sides of the house here and on the south side, We did rows of bananas. And another cool thing, the gutters were all just kicking the water out into the yard. So we've rerouted them with some corrugated piping. It's buried behind these bananas. And as it floods, it's gonna irrigate everything. As we venture out into the backyard, it slopes down pretty steep here. And so we put in 3 syntropic rows where the bottom is a swale. We dug out about 8 inches into the ground and mounted up in the back. Each row's about 140 feet on the contour of this slope. And we planted them out with a lot of tropical and semi-tropical plants, blueberries, blackberries. You got Barbados cherries, quite a lot of mangoes, avocados. Now this is a wild Florida native strawberry. Not quite the strawberry you'd get in your grocery store, but still good to eat and a nice ground cover. The intention for this swale is to capture all of the water that runs off this hill during a rainstorm or as they irrigate their yard. This is a wetlands area, so naturally it would all just run down and flood this whole area. It's quite wet, kind of a marsh. This will catch the water in this trench and also slow it down as it comes down these steps and give it more time to soak into the ground and allow the trees in this system to really absorb it through their roots. The main purpose of a swale is to slow down the water in the system and allow it to have more time to infiltrate into the soil. All in all, this has been another successful installation. Customers are really happy with it. I think we've added a lot of value to their property. At the very least, we're going to reduce the amount of money they spend on their fruit and veggies. Because they're going to have quite a lot of food production here. Honestly, they could feed their whole road fruit next summer. I want to give a big thank you to my team, Pablo, Brandon, and Matt. Without them, this project could not have come together. Excellent work. And I want to give a thank you to Food Forest Abundance for making a beautiful design. Everything was laid out really well, and we followed it almost to a T. Yeah, shout out to Rick and Nina who came out on their free days and helped us out. Really, you know, teamwork makes the dream work, and without everybody that contributed, this project wouldn't have turned out as great as it did.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Brandon's
The side of the road special.
side of the road special for
Yeah.
sure.
Add the wheelbarrow.
That's a wrap.